Welcome back to the shop, guys. Little projects I'm working on. It will all come clear when it's done. Having a little sort out today. I know it doesn't look like it. It still looks like a empire of dirt, like the main man, Ave himself. Yes, and I am dealing with rotten carcass, so you know, a few metal guys, sorry. My one thing for you guys to take from me, even if you work in a workshop as I do or out on the site, it's always a good idea to protect your knees. Many of the people I've worked with, when they reach 50, 60, their knees are shot, and it's because they've been kneeling on them for half of their life. So do yourself a favour. This is just a bit of sponge from a sofa that we was throwing away. Keep the sponge. I put the plastic bag around it because when I'm working outside I can kneel on it, the bag gets dirty, not the sponge, and it doesn't get wet, and afterwards you can just throw the bag away or reuse the bag. Alternatively, buy yourself the trousers with the inserts so you can put your knee pads in your trousers, so you don't have to think about putting them on. They take a little bit of you know, getting used to, but once you've had them in for a little while, you'll soon acclimatise to them. It's sanding time. So that's all I have for you today, guys, because I've run out of sandpaper. So I need to go to Screwfix, annoyingly. But remember to subscribe. Remember to subscribe and give me the thumbs up. Oh, and these gloves, not so good to do woodwork with.